Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 5 ways to improve your vocabulary knowledge. If you follow these 5 daily habits in your life, you will going to see massive improvement in your vocabulary knowledge as soon as possible. Habit number 1. Learn 5 words every day. Learning 5 words every day is a very easy method compared to learning 100 or 1000 words in a day. Just write down only 5 words every day. Write in a notebook, practice them throughout a day. This will going to help you improving your vocabulary knowledge. Habit number 2. Read every day. Reading is the one of the best way to improve your vocabulary. If you write down 5 words every day, when you going to read, you will be notice that how to use those words in a text format. Read daily, whether it newspaper, book, online articles, or whatever you see in English text. Try to read those things, because when you're going to read, you will be notice how to structure words in sentence manner. Habit number 3. Keep vocabulary notebook. Guys, if you learning 5 words every day, then write down those words in your personal notebook. The notebook should be little, it will be helpful for you. Whenever you go outside, whenever you are free, open that notebook and try to read. In that notebook, write the words meaning in sentence manner. This habit going to help you remember words in better way. Habit number 4. Watch English videos with subtitle. Watch English movies, news, podcasts, or whichever video you like in English. Try to watch with the subtitle. When you are watching those videos, give careful attention on subtitles, because it will also improve your listening skill. Whenever you don't understand, pause that video and write down those words which you are not understanding. Habit number 5. Practice with your friends and family members. This is a very important habit. Practice those words with your friends and family members, even if they are not interested to speak with you. Explain those words meaning. Use in a sentence those words. This is going to help you to remember those words in a sentence. Yeah, that's it. Remember, the more you practice, more you going to be better. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.